Imagine a life where your potential is limitless, yet 6 invisible habits hold you back from the success and respect you deserve. What if breaking free from these habits could transform not only your future, but also how the world sees you? This is the story of Hiro, a young man who, with the wisdom of a Zen master, uncovers the secret to unlocking his true potential. If you've ever felt like something is stopping you from reaching greatness, keep watching. Hiro's journey might just change your life. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled amidst towering mountains, lived a young man named Hiro. He was known for his intelligence, kindness, and hard work. People were naturally drawn to him because of his charisma, but despite all these admirable traits, something held Hiro back. He struggled to gain the respect he truly desired. There were 6 habits that kept him from reaching his full potential and becoming the person he aspired to be. The first habit was procrastination. Hiro had a tendency to put off tasks, always convincing himself that he had more time. This habit led to missed opportunities and unfinished projects. His friends and family often praised his potential, but they also expressed concern over how often he delayed things. Deep down, Hiro knew that this habit was keeping him from progressing, but he found it hard to break free from it. One day, Hiro decided to seek advice from an old Zen master who lived in a temple atop a nearby mountain. The master was known for his wisdom, and Hiro hoped that he could help him overcome his habits and gain the respect he sought. Determined to change, Hiro climbed the mountain and met the Zen master. He poured his heart out, sharing his struggles with procrastination and his desire to improve. The master listened patiently, nodding occasionally, and then spoke calmly. "Respect is earned, young Hiro. But to gain the respect of others, you must first learn to respect yourself." Hiro leaned in, eager to hear more. The master continued, "To respect yourself, you must let go of the habits that hold you back." Hiro listened carefully, waiting to learn what these habits were. "The first habit you must leave behind is procrastination," the master said. "By delaying your tasks, you deny yourself the chance to grow. Be present and face your responsibilities now, for the present is the only time that truly exists." Hiro nodded, feeling a new sense of determination. If he could conquer procrastination, he would be one step closer to the respect he longed for. "The second habit," the master continued, "is self-doubt. You must believe in yourself, Hiro. You have the power to achieve great things, but only if you trust in your abilities. Every journey begins with a single step, and you must have faith in yours." Hiro took a deep breath, realizing how often he had let self-doubt cloud his mind. The master's words gave him hope, and for the first time, Hiro began to trust in his own potential. "The third habit you must leave behind," the master advised, "is negative self-talk. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly criticize yourself, you will never see your own worth. Speak to yourself with kindness, just as you would to a friend." Hiro reflected on how harshly he had treated himself in the past, always finding fault and never offering words of encouragement. From that moment on, he vowed to change the way he spoke to himself. "The fourth habit is the fear of failure," the master said. "Failure is not something to be feared, but something to learn from. Each failure teaches you something new and helps you grow stronger. Embrace it, for it is part of the journey." Hiro had always been afraid of failing, worried about the judgment and disappointment it might bring. But now, he saw failure as a stepping stone to success. "The fifth habit," the master continued, "is the need for validation from others. True respect comes from within, Hiro. You must stop seeking approval from others and start valuing your own opinion. When you live in alignment with your values, others will naturally respect you." Hiro felt a sense of freedom wash over him. He had spent so much of his life trying to gain approval from others, but now he understood that self-respect was far more important. Finally, the master said, "The sixth habit you must leave behind is the need for control. Life is unpredictable, and you must learn to go with its flow. Let go of the need to control everything and trust in the journey. Have faith in the process. Hiro closed his eyes, feeling a weight lift from his shoulders. He had always tried to control every detail of his life, but now he realized that some things were beyond his control. Instead of resisting, he would embrace the uncertainty. Grateful for the master's wisdom, Hiro thanked him with all his heart. "Your words have opened my eyes," Hiro said. "I will leave these 6 habits behind and work toward becoming the best version of myself." The master smiled and offered one final piece of advice. "Remember, Hiro, true respect comes from living in alignment with your values. May your journey be filled with joy and self-discovery." From that day forward, Hiro began his journey of transformation. He practiced leaving behind his old habits one by one and replaced them with new, empowering ones. Over time, he noticed a change not only in himself but in how others saw him. His discipline and focus grew, and people began to admire his ability to take on tasks with grace and efficiency. As Hiro's self-belief strengthened, he radiated confidence, inspiring those around him. His negative self-talk was replaced with self-compassion, creating a ripple effect of positivity in his life. Every time he failed, he embraced it as a lesson, using it to propel himself forward. And most importantly, Hiro stopped seeking validation from others. He walked his own path, true to himself, and found respect from within. In time, Hiro learned to surrender to life's uncertainties, trusting in the greater plan and accepting that not everything was within his control. As he transformed, the village noticed the change. People began to respect him not just for his intelligence and kindness, but for the inner strength he had developed. He had become the best version of himself, and in doing so, he earned the respect he had always longed for. Hiro's story became a beacon of hope for others, showing that anyone can change their life by leaving behind the habits that hold them back. Through his journey, Hiro proved that respect is not something to be demanded, but something to be earned by living with discipline, self-belief, and trust in the process of life. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel Inspiring Arc. Have a great day ahead.